back the old days of Chinatown. Yeah, I was saying, gee whiz, you know, Mary's family, the Chans here got a plaque at their house for all the work they did in communities. Probably the Jangs, my own family, get a plaque for probably running the worst gambling joint in Chinatown, but we won't talk about that. Anyways, I'm really glad to be here on behalf of the City of Vancouver. Mayor Gregor Robertson and Council. Number of council members are over here. Wave, guys, everyone. Raymond, Louis, Tony Tang, Jeff Meggs, Andrea Reimer, Adrian Carr. Do I miss anybody else? And of course myself here. And it's wonderful to be here to commemorate the founders of SPOTA. Now, SPOTA was really important, not just because it really set the trend of how communities can work with City Hall. Not so much fight, Libby. Work. Maybe in your day it was fight. In our day, this council, it's work together. Whether we're working on, you know, removing, for example, the last vestiges of that old highway they wanted to put here to turn this into a more vibrant community. We're working together to do that. We're working together to restore the parking there on Pryor Street, as well as the community garden. So we're all working, not necessarily fighting, and thanks to SPOTA for setting that kind of an attitude and working relationship that works around the city. SPOTA was also very significant for another reason. It was wonderful that Susie came up here and spoke Chinese, because really, you know, when you think about it, SPOTA was for the Chinese community, the beginning of really becoming Vancouverites. Up until that time, people could say, oh, just don't worry about the Chinese. Just do what you want. They're going to do what you're told. They're going to do what they're told. You know, I was telling my relatives about coming here today, and they said, gee, in those days, they didn't care what the Chinese thought. They just do what you want. We don't care. But with these, would you fight her? Yeah, no way. That's right. Would you fight her? I wouldn't. But really, because of the work of the Chans and Susie and the Chinese community for the first time, never give up. We all came together. The Chinese community rose together, probably for the real first time, to have an effective voice. And I want to thank the founders of SPOTA for that, because really, you know, the fact that, for example, Raymond, Louis, Tony Tang, and I are even being elected here is because of the Chinese community fighting for that right and saying that we